coming up from a bad person to how I am now, it's taken me a very long time. It's been a very cold road. I had a lot of people actually telling me that I needed to change. I had a lot of people telling me that I'm the problem. That, you know, it took me a very long time to understand that I'm the problem, you know what I mean? But, you know, you live and you learn, you know? You kind of grow with things. It actually took me going through it actually took me getting locked away for a little bit to actually realise, you know, there's actually better things out there, you know? I guess it's just going through so much shit, so much, like, hey, going over the same circles so much. I wanted to break the circle. You got to break the chain at some point, you know what I mean? The wairua's right up there, brother. Like, hey, I got these ones to look out for, bro. You know, I've got something better to do with myself, brother. You know what I mean? It's yeah, everything's starting to look up as opposed to about a year ago, at least. Anyway, you know, even a year ago, I was pretty down and out, brother. But you know, look at it. Hey, I got this young fella with me, brother. It's a beautiful day out there. I've just been skimboarding, bro, and all sorts of, you know what I mean? So, hey, yeah, enjoying the stomping ground. Nah, it's good, brother.